Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, let's jump right in. A Halloween mask for unemployment benefits. Seriously, why?
Believe it or not, this is a real thing. It's how fraudsters are trying to trick advanced security.
And this one mask, well, it's just the tip of a massive multi-billion-dollar iceberg.
Just to give you an idea, that's how much was paid to inmates in 2020 alone.
And this is how much was stolen from just one state, California. Unbelievable.
So how on earth did this even happen? Well, the old security methods just completely failed us.
See, for ages, we've relied on something called static data to prove who we are online.
But think about it. After all those data breaches, that key is basically useless now.
So the whole game had to change. We've shifted to a much more dynamic way of proving it's you.
The new gold standard? Proving you're a real live person right here, right now.
And how do you do that? With your phone, a quick face scan, or even a live video chat.
Which, you guessed it, brings us right back to that Halloween mask. This is why they're so desperate.
I mean, it sounds crazy, but people are showing up to video verification calls in actual disguises.
Okay, this is all pretty wild. So what can you actually do to protect yourself from this chaos?
Well, security expert Brian Krebs has one major piece of advice. He says, get credit freezes.
Think of a credit freeze as the ultimate lock on your financial identity. Nothing gets through.
And it's pretty simple to set up. Just contact the bureaus, verify who you are, and get a PIN.
It really makes you think. In a world of deepfakes, is your own face the final password?
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.